Have you ever felt like so many people are going insane? The question is, how do you stay sane when so many people going insane? Our mind constructs your reality by filtering incoming data through expectations, attention, memory, and biased beliefs already installed in our brains since childhood. So what you expect and focus on largely shapes what you perceive and how you respond to new information. If the incoming information is not complete or doesn't make any sense, the brain fills in gaps using prior knowledge and expectations. That's why two people can see the same event very differently. What your mind focused on becomes more real and influential. If you focus on threats, the world feels dangerous. If you focus on opportunities, it feels rich with options. Obviously, it's wise to prepare for any dangerous situations by having an emergency plans to protect your family and community. Also, in the same time, it's very important to keep planning for the future, even when the pros predict doom and gloom for the future. Fact-checking false information is one of the most important mental health and digital hygiene skill today. When you fact-check, you're verifying what's true versus what's spin or manipulation of your mind. But here's the good news. You can free your mind from any type of mind control. Start small by shifting your attention to your loved ones. Question automatic thoughts that can't be proven right or wrong. And never underestimate the basics. Good sleep, exercise, and balanced nutrition sharpen perception and reset your brain's predictions. Step outside, get close to nature. Take a short walk in natural light. Boosts mood, regulates circadian rhythm. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Cool down stretches reduces stress and resets your nervous system. Over time, write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. You will start controlling your own mind direction. Most humans want what's best for their family and community. Don't let your precious mind to be fooled by bad storytellers who have their own dark agenda or paid to persuade the mind of masses. Before your mind react to any story or situation, train your mind to ask who brings the story to your attention and who benefits by creating that story or sponsored the story. Your mind is the only protection you have from reacting in any way that doesn't benefit you in the long run. When your attention is pulled in too many directions, you lose focus, your productivity drops, your mental health suffers. So next time you feel pulled into mind-controlling information that's not backed by any facts or visual evidence that you can see from different angle, remember, it's not just information, it's a battle to control your mind and opinion. Please share it with people and get ready for all types of scenarios by checking the comments section for prepper gear and supplies. A reminder of peace of mind is the most powerful gift in the land of the free. And, most importantly, mind the facts.